Shout out di ay kay Kuan, Nayon ng Twice.
Love you.
What's up guys, Kyle Tancinco here from Tigoto of Davao City. So we're here to do a bike check of my Fuji Track Pro 2010. So I've been riding fixed gear for about 5 years now, and yes, this is my most recent frame after my previous NJS build. So here are the specs. So at the front we've got a Pinewood mountain bike stem at 90 millimeters and negative 25 degrees for that extra track look. Now for the bars we've got Deda Pista at 400 mm, and then we've got a Sauce G computer. For the fork we've got a Fuji carbon fiber, oversized. This isn't tapered. For the frame, we've got a Fuji Track Pro 2010 in all aluminum. We've got the metal dropouts and the cutout seat post, seat tube. Now for the seat post, this seat post is specifically made for the Track Pro frame set. It's a integrated seat post. For the saddle, we've got a Pro logo Scratch Pro. It's quite used since this frame set and this whole bike came from a surplus shop. So next, for the crank set, we've got the stock cranks from Fuji, the Fuji PGC, which stands for professional grade components. We've got the Dura-Ace chainring, NJS, at 49 teeth. So next, we've got the KMC hollow chain. And for pedals, we've got the Shimano R540 cleats with the matching RP1 shoes. For the wheel set, it's nothing special. Giant Escape, 20 holes from a road bike. And then for the rear, we've got a Token track rim set at 32 holes and 17 teeth for the cog. That's about it. So why fixed gear? Actually, I had a decision when I was in 3rd grade if I were to choose a BMX, mountain bike, and fixed gear. And then at that time, BMX was quite too hard for me, so I chose fixed gear. So I went to the closest local bike store at that time, which was Ganeco, and I bought my first fixed gear for 5,000 pesos. And starting then, I kept on selling my bikes, and then I got this for around 20,000 pesos. So that's about it. I'd like to give a shout out to my batchmates from UM, my friend Ralph, Chris, Rash, and that's all. Thank you.